Crocs on the daily chart, a series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above the 200 moving average on the daily. I look at the history of this chart, found other pullbacks similar in dollar amount. In addition, a 618 retracement. This pocket of potential support right around 125. I like to see Crocs can use this as a bounce for more upside. Now on the hourly chart, price is also trading nicely above this 200 moving average on the hourly. Not financial advice. You can consider positioning going long, and you gotta set your stop loss below this pivot low. Fundamentals are looking strong. 2021, 2.3 billion. 2022, 3.5 billion. 2023, 3.9 billion. We do have that increasing top line revenue, and the company is profitable. I see people wearing these all the time, so I wanted to learn a little bit more about their company. Sometimes it takes on a little bit of observation, because what I noticed is that people are not just buying these shoes, they're also buying all these accessories. Recognizing some market trends that'll help you identify interesting stocks that may be under the radar. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.